Hey.
Alright, we're gonna do the sidewalk edging here, and then this tree. Gonna trim it away from the house. See all this stuff here? Trim that away. I'll probably trim that. And trim this one. That. Open this one up. Oh, this dead branch too. The dead branch. Let's remove this one. This is not done. Okay, so trim that. Clean up sticks, leaves, and debris. Here we're gonna add mulch. Mulch to this area. Gonna add mulch here. Mow the backyard. Put all the leaves and sticks here from here. Probably we'll start with the no, we'll start with the Alright, so that's the tree so far. What's not part of the estimate was just pulling it away from the house, but I think it'll look so much better if we take the hedge trimmers and just kind of round it off a little bit, man. So the estimate was to just pull it away from the house, which I did that. Away from there, away from there. But yeah, man, never stop delighting your customers, and if you can do a little bit more and it's not gonna take you too much time, all for it, baby. So just gonna but it is what it is, man. That's how we're leaving it for now. You know, it's a free round off. So, you know, if I do any more, you know, it's gonna take a lot more time. But look, it already created a little bit more debris. That's all right. Let's rake this stuff up and clean it up. Get it to the side over here and continue with the cleanup. Next, it's gonna be edging the sidewalks. So these are the sidewalks we're going to edge. Okay. right, so the next thing to do is just to blow off all the stuff in the middle. I'm probably gonna string trim first. String trim and then blow off all the stuff. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
It's Mike the producer. That's a banger. That's a banger.
All right, everything's cleaned out, blowing out to the lawn. Final step, guys, as you know, just mow. Work smarter, not harder. right, guys, that's a wrap. This is a dirty hands, clean money, baby. All right, man. I don't know what else I got for you, but please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Hey.